Hello everyone. Today I will come back again, and then today I will talk about the Pox Controller that's working with the Mininet Wi-Fi. Working it means Pox Controller will communication with access point in Mininet Wi-Fi. So first I will open the terminal. I will two uh, terminal. One terminal is the run Pox Controller, and one terminal is we create the wireless network environment. So first I will run. So for this one is the wireless network environment that I will create uh, one controller that is the remote controller is the power controller and have 5 access point and 5 station for testing. So first I will run the power controller. I will access to the root user password. Okay, now I cd to the home directory. I will sudo pox pox oh no sudo pox, okay. And then pox pi. After that spacebar is the for a or forwarding dot l to underscore learning open flow dot spanning underscore 3, yeah, and spacebar space no flat flood hold down log dot level dbug debug sample dot pretty underscore log open flow dot discovery discovery host underscore tracker info dot package underscore dump. So this command for tracking, this command for checking the flow of the Mininet environment, wireless network environment. So enter. Now for the power controller is running, and next step we will create the wireless network environment. So I will create by sudo no I first access to the root user sudo I password go to home directory, and then I will sudo mininet Wi-Fi and topology. Topo is the liner that have 5 station, 5 access point, and 1 controller. That for my controller is the remote controller that have IP. That have, for the IP, I will check the IP of Ubuntu. So I will open another terminal. if config for the IP, this one. Okay, IP I put 2. IP with port. For the port, now we close it. For the port controller is 6633. Nah? Okay, running. So you can see this one. Now the port controller is running, and the port controller is create a flow of all the node of the Mininet Wi-Fi station and access point. This one you can see. So now we check the flow. So now we check the status of each port by command dpctl. dump port description. Okay, now we can see export of our node. So now for I want to testing for ping all. So now I want to testing all the node can know each other. So I will ping all. Okay. Okay, now you can see all the station. We can recognize all the station or the node. So the result we can see. Yeah. So all the station can communication between each other. All the station will send packet follow the port that controller create for them. So if we disconnect, uh, or close the controller, what is the result of this wireless network? The result is all the station cannot communication because they don't have the flow to communication. Because all the flow in the wireless network was created by the Pox controller. So now if I disconnect the controller, Control C, now for my Pox controller is not running. So what is the result when I ping all in the wireless network? So I will ping all, ping again. Okay, it's now is running. Okay, you can see for the station 3, packet loss is 100%. So it's not recognized. Yeah, it's not recognized. It's not recognized. It is not recognized. Okay, now we can see the result. The result is all the station cannot recognize all each of the station. So the drop is 100%. You can see the result is not connect. So this problem is the Pox controller is closing, disable the workflow or the node of the wireless station. So now I will run the Pox controller again. So I will run the Pox controller again. Now I will run. So now for the Pox controller is creating the flow of for the Mininet Wi-Fi. Okay, now after I run the Pox controller, I will ping again in the Mininet Wi-Fi. I will ping on. Okay, okay. You can see for the result. All the stations can connect to each other by the flow that created by the Pox controller. And the next step I want to change. So for station 1, I want to change a station from one station to connect to other access point. So now I in our wireless network is running, and then for the station 1 is associated with access point 1. But for my purpose, I want station 1 disconnect from access point 1 and reconnect to access point 2. So now let's check. So I will check the station 1 and WDB station 1 WLAN 0 link. Now I can see access station 1 is connected to access point 1 SSID access point 1. Okay, now I want station 1 connect to access point 2 and disconnect from access point 1. So how can I do? Okay, let's check. The first I will disconnect. So station 1 IWD station 1 WLAN 0 disconnect. Now disconnect from access point 1 already, and then I will station 1 IWDV station 1 no WLAN 0 connect to SSID underscore access point 2. Okay, now I connect to access point 2 and I check again. Now you can see for the Pox controller. For the Pox controller is a host tracker move to access point 2. To access point 2, you can see the Pox controller is create new flow for station 1 that disconnect from access point 1 and reconnect to access point 2. You can see the flow. And now I will check again for the station 1 WD EV station 1 WLAN 0 link. Okay, now so for the station 1 now is connected to the access point 2. Okay, now to the access point 2. And I will check the dump flow again. DPCTL dump flow. No. Dump P. So for the dump flow of all access point, I will see for the access point 1, packet 0, byte 0, table 0, because no station connect to it. And for access point 2, packet 2, packet 1, packet 1, you can see. We see flow set up on the access point 2 and access point 3, access point 4, and access point 5, but not on access point 1. This is because station 1 is connected to access point 2, so all traffic is passing through access point 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we change the access point, Pox controller will detect a link failure and create a new spanning tree by changing status or at the port. It is for the Pox controller working. And now it's finished. Okay, now I will close it, the Pox controller, and then I will close for the Mininet Wi-Fi also. Okay, for this lesson now was finished, and thanks for watching my video. Okay, goodbye.